Masak apa? Masak Mystyle. Oh wow, tiba-tiba ketawa pula Agaknya mengecuitkan hati kita. Gitu. Okay, hari ni hari Sabtu. Today is Saturday. I usually do my cooking videos on over the weekend Selalu pada hujung-hujung minggu punya buat video masak ni memang seronok. Pasal apa, hari Minggu, hari Sabtu atau hari Minggu is my off day. So off day tu hari cuti yang leka-leka, kata orang, hari malas-malas. So it's a lazy day for me. So today I'm gonna cook something very simple. Dah lama pun tak masak ni, so long never cook this fried rice, chili fried rice, spicy fried rice. Gitu. Okay, nasi goreng pedas ataupun nasi goreng chili. Okay, very simple, very senang. So ini pun tiba-tiba last minute nak buat. Alright, so come along with me. Kita buat nasi goreng. We going to do fried rice. Now for you who wants to have all the various and all kinds of fried rice that I have, you can go to fried rice ataupun nasi goreng Mystyle. You can type just like that. Ada lagi satu copycat. There's another copycat inside YouTube. Dia Mystyle, dia dua. Mystyle, dia copycat. So I punya Mystyle adalah one word Mystyle. Okay, dengan suara, dengan muka, dengan cincin, dengan gelang, it will never be the same. Gitu. Cili merah 5 batang, 5 stalks of red chilies. Okay, cili merah 5 batang. Saya masukkan ke dalam chopper. I put inside a chopper. Okay. Cili padi up to you, but chili is up to you. Okay. I have around 6 sticks like. Bawang putih 12. Bawang sederhana, medium size onions, 3 of it. And we're gonna chop. I still have the belacan here. Okay, parut sekali lah. Just a little bit only, sedikit saja untuk merasa dia, just for a taste. Okay. Nasi 1 pinggan penuh, 1 whole plate of whole rice, nasi sejuk saya simpan, which I kept in the fridge first. Okay, this one is about 1.5 cup lah of grains. Ni agak-agak dalam satu setengah ling cup kecil. Okay, and 1 egg, telur 1 saja. Straight away kita masukkan ke dalam kuali minyak panas. Put inside coarsely chopped cincang kasar. Sedikit garam, just a pinch of salt, just to entice the bau. Sedap bau dia, tahu. You can smell the aroma. Kita tumis ketika we saute for a while. Make sure that the onions will get brown. Bawang dia berubah warna dulu. Sedikit ikan bilis stock, a little bit of anchovies stock. And then kita masukkan telur, put in the eggs. Just one will do, satu sudah. Dia nak kasih dia macam ada moist sikit lah. Just one will do, just to moisten the whole thing. That's it. Okay. Straight away put in the rice. Masukkan nasi terus ya. Gaulkan dia sehingga sebasi. We mix all up, okay, until everything is all infused all together. Okay. Last but not least, sedikit of pepper, sedikit lada putih ataupun lada sulai. Nasi goreng merah lah saya panggilkan sedap dan juga power. Red fried rice or chili fried rice, nasi goreng chili. Sudahlah, nak apa lagi. Okay, you take yourself your own salt and whatsoever. Goreng nasi goreng last minute like this kind of last minute at home I don't have any garnishing except for ikan bilis. Saya tak ada benda yang nak di renjis cuma renjis ikan bilis je lah. Okay, that's it. Nasi goreng chili merah. This is red chili fried rice. Selamat kembali kepada sesi cekik menyekik makan eating session time. Alamak, dah tukar mangkuk kecil already changed to a smaller bowl. This is nasi goreng pedas ataupun nasi goreng cili merah ataupun nasi goreng merah ataupun nasi goreng kampung abang nak panggil. You can call whatever type of fried rice, spicy fried rice, chili fried rice or whatsoever fried rice. Ni berdapat dalam berapa mangkuk? 2 mangkuk. Kalau I pergi holiday ke mana-mana, balik kampung ke apa, my favourite is fried rice, okay? Siapa-siapa ni saya kalau pergi rumah kat Malaysia, rumah siapa-siapa nak cuitkan hati saya, masaklah nasi goreng, okay? So if I go to Malaysia, whoever's house, you all don't know what to do, what to cook, just cook fried rice lah. I love fried rice, okay? Plain, simple like this, oh so nice. Memang sedap juga macam gini, pun power, gitu, ni nak ikan bilis nak taruh depan because I cook ikan bilis lah just now. That's why I will cook this fried rice. Okay, kalau dah masak ikan bilis 1 kotak, I cook ikan bilis in a box. I keep one so I can munch at any time with nasi or rice or whatsoever. I can cook beladu hijau whatsoever. Okay, apa-apa pun sedap. Ini apalagi kalau dekat rumah. If at home, you can put as much as you want, okay? Kalau kat rumah, kita boleh taruh sebanyak mana kita nak. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hari ni mulut banyak cakap pula. Penat tahu Saturday weekend. Saturday weekend maksud keep quiet lah, betul tak? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Power meletup. Mesti korang tanya kenapa tak taruh air. So you all will ask me why never put a bit of water to moisten the rice. Because tadi saya dah pecah telur. Just now I break 1 egg already, right? That's why the egg only 1. Tu adalah dia punya secret Lagipun sedap kan, ada telur kan. Got egg kan, even more nicer, right? Saya kalau Saturday off day. Priority is to wash my clothes. Priority nak cuci baju dulu. Kalau tak cuci baju, I felt like a whole bag, like something holding me back. Kalau ada if I didn't do my laundry. Ni tengah buat video si Datin ni sibuk pula call. Tak apa, kita boleh call dia. Very good. Very nice. You take the recipe. Same measurement. Unless you want to cut off the spiciness. Kalau awak nak kurangkan pedas dia, cili padi dia awak kurangkan If you want to cannot take so much spicy, this one just nice. Ini spicy je, spice level dia for me lah, number 2 lah. Just nice I love nasi goreng. When I go to Datin house, when I pergi rumah Datin, nanti bibi masak nasi goreng. Nasi goreng cili hijau. Oh, favorite The problem here, I don't have the green chili padi. I need to buy from somewhere first. The green fried rice. Green chili fried rice. Fabulous. Pagi-pagi bangun, buat social media. Lepas tu terus masak. Because today I have the urge of having fried rice. I don't want to eat the drama food. Tired lah. Nasi goreng sedap kan? Orang pun suka, you all also like. Memang sedap. Memang power. Masak tau. Siapa kalau pergi Melaka, di belacan Melaka lembut, wangi. That one is belacan. Shrimp paste from Melaka. Cheap. Murah. I kasih dengan Ruby. You know I gave to Kak Ruby, right? Amy! Alamak. Macam bertahun tak jumpa dia belacan. Amy, thank you. This belacan for her, for all the old ladies, untuk makcik-makcik tua. It's like you giving them a diamond. Yeah. You give to any old ladies belacan, no one will refuse. Semua takkan reject Macam-macam sekarang banyak copycat Kita Mystyle dah berapa belas tahun. Kau baru nak Mystyle. Lepas tu nak copy pula Mystyle. Taruhlah lain. Shida style ke Datin Sri kat Melaka tu taruh Zuraida style. Okey lah. Tak ada idea nak ambil idea orang. Tiba-tiba masak lah. I need to call Datin dulu. Saya nak kena telefon Datin. Saya boleh habis ni I can finish all that. Later afternoon raining. Finish. Habis. Dah berlaluran. Lepas ni saya nak pergi kelas agama. Okay, see you again on Masak Mystyle. #mom. Bye.